Hello friends, none of us is immortal. All of us are mortal. इस दुनिया से हमें सभी को एक दिन जाना है. We create lot of assets, lot of incomes in our life. But fortunately or unfortunately, we can't take them along with us. We have to leave them behind. But many a times it happens that our family members suffer because we are not aware of the various legal hurdles, various operational hurdles that we leave behind. So this video is meant for making you aware of the things that you need to do before you leave this world, before you die. There are 10 important things that we need to understand and do it right now so that our family members do not suffer after we leave this world. Before I begin, let me make two requests. First is, please stay on till the end of the video. It's going to really add value to your life. And the second request is, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload new videos for you. So let's begin. So there are 10 steps that you need to take to leave a peaceful legacy to your legal heirs. So let's take them one by one. The first is adequate life insurance. And the life insurance should be according to your needs. As a thumb rule, the life coverage should be at least 10 to 15 times of your annual income. Got to decide on the type of policy. There are many types of policies that the insurance companies sell. They could be term insurance, they could be whole life insurance, they could be endowment insurance, they could be money back, and many others, ULIPs and many others. For every person, you must have a term insurance at least. Term insurance coverage should be in crores. Now, it's very important that you buy the life insurance, the term insurance at a very early age so that you don't have to pay higher premium. And you can also consider additional riders which come at a premium, although the premium amount is less. They could be for critical illness benefit or accidental death benefit or even disability benefit. Most importantly, you've got to compare the various policies that are available in the market. It's better to consult a good life planner who will exactly guide you what to do, which policies to purchase according to your profile. And also review your policy periodically in order to check whether your coverage actually meets the current threats, right? Next, most important is to nominate. You've got to nominate your legal heirs. It could be your wife, it could be your children. And these nominations could be in the bank account, the savings account, the FD accounts, the lockers, the PPF, the NPS, etc. Now, for every individual account or personal account, please maintain joint account with your family members with E or S mandate. Now, what is this E or S mandate? Either or survivor mandate, which means if you leave this world, the survivor, the second holder, can operate the account. Okay. For business account, please nominate your family members. It could be your wife or your children. For insurance policies, it could be life insurance or health insurance policies. Please nominate. And also nominate all the mutual funds that you have. Nominate all the DMAT and the trading accounts that you have. So the buzzword is nominate, nominate, nominate. And also review the nominations. There could be changes in your family membership. So please review your nominations periodically. Next is adequate health insurance. Why health insurance is important? Because health is the most critical threat that we are going to face or we are facing right now. And very important, health costs are rising rapidly. The current inflation is 14 to 16%. So you got to take adequate sum insured for all the family members. Take a top-up plan if you cannot afford, and the time horizon should be at least 5 to 10 years. If there is a claim, you cannot increase the sum insured. So while you're healthy, increase the sum insured so that when you become ill, the sum insured will take care of your health costs. And also, please check your policy documents. You might have a health insurance policy, but the policy features may not have these benefits. Don't go for any policy which has a capping on room rent or ICU charges. And also check whether it covers the major illness or not, whether there is a restoration benefit, whether there's a cumulative bonus, what is the no claim bonus, whether there's any OPD benefit, what is the period of pre and post hospitalization, whether there's e-consultation. And nowadays, Ayush treatment is very important, whether your policy covers the Ayush treatment. So all these features have to be looked into. It's better to consult a good health planner who will actually guide you in these matters. And then please provide access to important financial information to your legal heirs, your wife, your children, your family members. All the bank accounts, the net banking, the mobile banking, please tell them. Even share the login ID and the passwords. All insurance policy documents, please keep them in one place, organize, and tell them that these are the places where I have kept insurance documents. The mutual funds, yes, the folio numbers, the IIN number, login ID, passwords should be there with your family members once you leave this world. The Demat account, the trading account, please share the login ID and the password. Keep it somewhere in your computer or somewhere in your notebook, and please share it with your family members. The family members must know what are the loans and the other debts that you already have. Then the property and the legal documents. You might have a house, you might have other properties. Please verify the ownership titles. The ownership title must be clear and marketable. Ensure that there is a mutation of your property. Any loans or liabilities, try to settle it before you leave this world. For that, you need to have a clear documentation folder. Keep all the property documents in one place and ensure registration of all the property documents, right? Even your corporation or the municipality mutation, registration, everything should be done. And also, please try to have a joint ownership of your property and also get your legal verification. If there is legal tangle, please clear it. And also, please update your family members where you have kept these property documents, right? Let's come to emergency fund or contingency fund that we call. You must have an emergency fund or a contingency fund which will last 6 to 12 months of your expenses. Okay. And for that, you need to create a corpus. Investment options. What are the investment options? They could be bank deposits. They could even be mutual funds where you can keep the funds in liquid assets, where you can withdraw immediately. And also try to create a fund from your savings. Automate your savings to build the fund. And these emergency funds, please do not try to use it other than essential or emergency purpose. And these funds should be kept separate. And if they are finished, please try to replenish it. You must have an emergency fund which will last your expenses for 6 to 12 months of your expenses. And also, very important, plan for your retirement. Every person has to retire one day. You must have a retirement corpus. You must try to decide on the retirement corpus. After you are retired, will not work, what is the amount that you require to meet your daily expenses, right? At present, the lifespan of an individual, of an Indian, is 80 to 85 years. So your retirement corpus must be sufficient to last till 85 years, right? For that, you need to start early investment. Where do you invest? There are many investment options. They could be banks, they could be post offices, they could be PPF, they could be NPS. So you can't keep all the funds in one place. Try to diversify. And nowadays, there are mutual funds which will help you to increase your wealth. Try to increase your wealth, try to create your wealth. Because mutual funds will give you higher returns, which will beat the inflation. Okay. And also review your pension and annuity options. Very important, your healthcare and medical costs will rise as you age. Any debts or loans, try to clear them before you retire. And after you're 50 or 55 or 60, you need to have withdrawal strategy. In mutual fund, you have this option. So for that, you need to consult a mutual fund distributor or a financial planner who will exactly assess your retirement corpus. He will help you to create your retirement corpus, right? And review your funds regularly. And also Keep your family members informed about your decision. And also try to create a will or a estate plan. Now, what is that? Because nomination and will are totally different. Nomination gives temporary authority to handle the funds, whereas will gives the permanent ownership of the property. List all the assets and your liabilities, take the help of an advocate, and also decide on who are going to have the legacy for you, who are going to be the beneficiaries. Appoint an executor. That is very important. It could be a doctor, it could be a friend, it could be a chartered accountant, it could be the advocate himself. For a minor child, you must appoint a guardian. Register your will, pay the inheritance taxes, and store the will safely and inform the key people, right? Then let's come to organ donation. You might consider to donate your organ. And if you do that, you can do it right now. But if you do an organ donation, please note it in the will. There are many kinds of organ donation. It could be a living donation, it could be a deceased donation, or it could be a body donation. Go to the sites and have a clear idea about donation. For organ donation, I've given you the link. You can register there. It's a Government of India link. Carry your organ donation card. Inform the family members of your decision. Why? Because the family members are actually going to execute your wish, right? Understand the medical and legal requirements. This is also very important because even if you express your wish to donate your organ or a body, but there are certain medical legal obligations which has to be followed, right? And very important, promote the awareness about organ donation among your friends, your relatives in the society. So you'll be happy. And last but not the least, focus on the happiness index. Your mental, your physical, and your emotional well-being. That's most important. Stay physically fit, build strong and positive relationship with your friends, with your relatives, with your neighbors. Try to rectify any misunderstandings that you might have in your life and also be active and be in a growth mindset. Try to do something very, very positive, right? You can spend time in the nature and create a balanced life. These are the tips that I wanted to give you so that you can have a peaceful legacy even after you die. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notifications for forthcoming and upcoming videos that I'll be bringing for you. Thank you. Stay well.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Do let me know in the comment section any particular subject you want me to present for your sake. In the end, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.